on your feet. C for cat, meow all day. D for dog, loves to